Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is Glimpse369. Welcome po, welcome po. So tingnan na po natin kung anong meron sa collective, Gemini collective. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, hit the thumbs up po. At saka hit the notification bell po, subscribe ka na rin para po connected tayo sa future upload. At saka para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate better lang. Next time po, baka energy nyo na ang masagap ko. At saka, time is fluid, past, present, and future. Maaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Tower card. Okay, so, baka ang energy na makukuha ko is energy mo, or energy ng environment mo, or energy ng taong connected sa'yo. Okay, so, Gemini, this read is for Gemini. Kiting naman yung art niya. Ganda. So, yala, let's see. For my Gemini, please, collective. Give me 3 cards for my Gemini collective, please. Gemini collective. May nag-pop out na isa. May nag-flip. Hangman. Ano meron? Okay. Let's see. Give me more. 2 more. Nine of Earth. At saka na to. 8 of Fire. Okay. So, clarify ko each card. Gemini star card at the bottom of the deck. Let's see. Clarify ko each card. Clarify the 8 of Fire. Meron kang communication dito. Gemini. Gemini collective. Timeless read po pala to. Okay, timeless read. Clarify the 8 of Fire for my Gemini. 3 of Pentacles, all about work. Or someone is seeing you, putting you in the pedestal. Sandali, oh my God, nahulog na siya. 6 of Swords and the Hermit card. Travel dito. Meron travel dito. Pero kailangan mo siyang pag-isipan. Tingnan natin with the Hangman. Clarify the Hangman. King of Wands, Queen of Cups, the Sun Guard, and the Knight of Wands. So, bottom of the deck, 4 of Wands. Okay, new home, moving in, moving out, heading towards new something with the 4 of Wands, celebration, reconciliation. Okay. Meron kang star card at saka 4 of Wands at the overall energy. So, tingnan natin itong communication mo. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands clarified by the 3 of Pentacles and the 6 of Swords. Meron kang travel dito, Virgo. Sorry. Maybe you are connecting with the Virgo. I don't know. Gemini, significant dito sa'yo ang 3 at saka 6. 6 of Swords. Okay. This is a travel card moving into calmer water. Or 3 of Pentacles, someone wants to collaborate. May gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo dito, Gemini. With regards to work, ang nakikita ko, this is work. Okay, together with the Hermit card. Kaya lang minsan kailangan mo siyang pag-isipan. I think this person, kung sino man tong person na to, or baka ikaw to, as I said, maaaring energy mo to, o kung hindi mo siya, kung hindi ka ang nangangailangan, baka taong connected sa'yo or nasa environment mo, okay? Meron gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo dito, or ikaw ang gustong makipag-collaborate on someone. But it requires travel. At saka minsan kailangan mo siyang pag-isipan with the Hermit card. Kailangan mo siyang pulsuhin. I mean, kailangan mo siyang i-vision kung ano ang mangyayari sa travel mo, or kung ano ang mangyayari. Alam mo nang susunod na kabanata. Kasi kung sino naman tong 3 of Pentacles, this person is putting you on the pedestal already. Okay, so nakikinig siya sa mga suggestion mo or sa opinion mo. Okay, so meron kang communication dito coming in. Hindi ko lang kung kailan mag-fall into place to. Sandali, ay clarify ko ba. 8 of Swords, 3 of Cups. Meron ditong gustong i-take out ka, hindi i-take out. Ano ba pagkain? What I mean is 3 of Cups is all about celebration, having something with you. drinking tea, drinking coffee. I don't know, but Three of Cups for me, it's all about Three of Cups. Meron ka ng 33 dito, so breakdown natin, 6 pa rin siya. Together with, someone is stuck here about the situation, no? Hindi ko alam kung feeling stuck ka into the situation or into the person that you are thinking about or you're going to think about in the future or you're currently thinking. Merong connected ka dito to someone with regards to work na minsan kailangan mong pag-isipan kung sasama or something, but this person wants to be with you with the Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles. So Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles already. This person want to reconcile or want to take you out or want to take you on somewhere with the Six of Swords. So okay, but stuck ka mentality, sometimes physically stuck ka pag nasa situation ka na. I don't know why or I don't know who the fuck is this person for you. Sorry, yung bibig ko. Sensya na. Pisces, ay Gemini. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Merong someone dito na gustong ayain kang lumabas. Kasi ito, labas to eh. Okay, Three of Cups at saka Six of Swords. Kung sino man yan sa'yo. Gemini. Okay, kung sino man yan sa'yo. Pero sometimes, kailangan mo kasi the Hermit card is contemplation. Contemplation and knowing thyself, knowing yourself, kung ano ang mangyayari sa'yo kung sasama ka. Kasi ito, ang Three of Pentacles is all about teaming up, partnership, okay? Ang Eight of Fire is all about communication. Okay, so gusto niyang makipag-team up sa'yo regarding sa work, gustong mag-travel, pero sometimes you need to think about it, kung anong mangyayari sa'yo doon, okay, kung anong ganap. But this person is very happy to be with you, with the Three of Cups. This person perceives you as like go with the flow. Okay, together with the Emperor card. I think this is a boss or something. I don't know. Gemini, who are you connecting with? But this is boss energy, or maybe you are the boss and you need to meet up someone, meeting up with someone. Okay, so just take how it's resonate, Gemini. So, yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. Sa first row, communication coming in, aayain ka nitong lumabas. Pero minsan kailangan mong isipin kung ano ang agenda or ano ang issue or ano ang topic or ano ang mga galawan. Okay? Kasi with the Three of Pentacles, you are already on the high pedestal. Kumbaga, angat ka. Lamang ka ng isang paligo. Isang paligo or tatlong paligo. Basta may lamang ka with regards sa knowledge. With regards sa work. Okay. So, may angat ka ng konti. Alam mo ang mga galawan. Okay. Gemini, yun ang nakikita ko dito sa first row. Second row, meron kang Hangman, King of Wands at saka Queen of Cups. Okay. So, merong stuck sa'yo dito. Dalawang tao. Feminine energy and masculine energy, but it doesn't have to be baka dalawang babae, dalawang lalaki, or I don't know kung sino yan. Basta King of Wands is a go-getter card. But be careful with this King of Wands kasi ano to, pushy. Kumbaga ano siya, kung ano yung gusto niya, dapat yun ang you need to follow or you need to hear yung suggestion niya or yung opinion niya, kailangan mong pakinggan. You know what I mean? Merong isa dito, Queen of Cups is very compassionate. Pero clarify the toxic brand. The Devil card. Together with the Ace of Pentacles. Meron ditong Gemini, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo sa gitna with the Hangman. I think you are stuck already with this two person here. Merong magkukulit sa'yo dito. I mean, hindi ko may specify kung isang lalaki, isang babae, or dalawang lalaki, dalawang babae. Basta merong energy dito ng Queen of Cups at saka merong energy ng King of Cups. Energy doesn't have any gender, okay? Isasabihin ko lang sa inyo kung ano ang energy ng King of Wands. King of Wands is a very fiery, pushy energy. Kailangan mong makinig sa commandments niya. Basta, very passionate on something. Pag may gusto siya, go-getter energy. Yun ang energy ng King of Wands. Ang energy naman ng Queen of Wands ay Queen of Cups is malambing, mahinhin, I mean, ano siya magsalita, mahinhin siya magsalita, very caring, very empathetic. But at the same time, ang clarification nilang dalawa is the Devil card. Okay, together with the Ace of Pentacles. Merong obsessed dito about something, hindi ko alam kung pera mo, basta interesado sila sa Ace of Pentacles mo. Okay, kung meron ka man bag or wala ka man bag, interesado sila sa incoming abundance mo or incoming opportunity mo. Obsessed sila dito. Okay. Gusto nilang makihati or I don't know. Just be careful with this two person here because with the Hangman, I think you think about this already or hindi ko alam kung magko-communicate sila sa'yo together with the Empress card, but you are the Empress here. You know how it works. Alam mo galawan dito, okay? So, ang nakikita ko parang you will turn the table. The ball is on your court. So, I think tataubin mo ang lamesa dito. Sa'yo sila makikinig. Kasi ikaw ang Empress dito. Ang Empress is kailangan mo talagang pakinggan ng Empress. Ang Empress is very compassionate din siya, very empathetic, creative, productive, lahat na kasi inibali niya ang apat na queen sa tarot. Queen of Wands, alam mo ang galawan nitong dalawa. Kung sino man tong tao sa'yo. Meron silang agenda dito, meron silang hidden obsession regarding sa bag mo or regarding sa incoming opportunity mo. Basta nakikita ka nila as a very tawag niyan, ano bang word yun sa Tagalog? Basta nakikita ka nilang you can multiply. Okay. Empress card is a multiplier. Okay. When it regards to abundance or something, ang dami niyang idea. Okay. So, obsessed tong dalawa sa'yo. Stuck sila sa'yo with the Hangman. Okay. Pero meron akong nakikitang delay kasi ang Hangman can represent delay or stuck. I mean, putting you in the position na nilagay nila yung sarili nila sa position na hindi naman nila gusto but nandun na sila. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ikaw to ang stuck with the Empress card, but with the Empress card may stuck siya pero hindi ganun katagal. Okay, kasi ang Empress alam niyang galawan, may stuck siya but she's not that perfect yan eh. But with the Empress card, she know what to do. Even though na ma-stuck siya, alam niya kung paano niya i-unstuck ang sarili niya. Okay, kasi kung ikaw man yan, Gemini, ang naglagay sa sarili mo sa stuck na sitwasyon at hindi mo na involved dito ang pera, involved dito ang Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so meron ditong dalawang tao, hindi ko alam kung sino yung taong yan sa'yo. Okay, pero obsessed sila sa idea na you can multiply something or you can grow something or you can provide on something or you can cover up something. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito with the Empress card sa second row. Okay, Gemini, hindi ko alam kung ano yan para sa'yo. Ang sa third row naman is meron kang Nine of Earth. Nine of Earth is a very independent, kind of resourceful individual. So, together with the Sun card clarification, the Sun card at saka the Knight of Wands. So, you are just, parang feeling ko ikaw to. Okay, the Sun card, you are just aftering your happiness. Okay, going into your happiness or you just being happy, okay, by yourself and doing what you love, doing your own passion, at saka just being you. Yan, gets mo? The Knight of Wands is a player type or you're just being young. Together with the Nine of Pentacles, you're just, this energy is very enlightening or ano yan. Sensya ka na, medyo nag-i-English ako. Nagtatry lang naman ako. Ginagawa ko din mag-practice mag-English para naman. Sensya ka na. Basta yun lang, Nine of Pentacles, the Sun Guard, and the Knight of Wands. You are on the stage of happiness, going after your happiness or just being happy in an everyday basis. Four of Pentacles, ano ba? And the Queen of Swords. So, you're not taking any bullshit here. You are holding your bag close to your chest. Okay. So, wala. Isa lang may breakdown ko dito sa last card mo, Gemini. Lahat ng magbubullshit ng kasiyahan mo, lahat ng magsasagabal sa kasiyahan mo, talagang ika-cut off mo. Okay. Wala kang pagdadalawang isip. Kung sino man with the Four of Pentacles, you are holding on closely. Sandali nga, usog ko nga to para makita mo yung Four of Pentacles, the Sun card. Okay, you are going after your happiness sa sinasabi ko nga. Tapos Four of Pentacles, you are holding it. Okay. So, happy ka lang. Happy ka lang pag may nagdisturbo sa'yo or dinikitan ka ng problema or negative or something, talagang cut off mo with the Queen of Swords. Here. Queen of Swords is not taking any bullshit. Okay. So, cut off yan. Yan ang nakikita ko sa, you are independent, you are on your own. Ang isip mo, hindi mo ko pinapakain, hindi mo ko, wala kang ambag sa akin. So, you need to remove yourself if you're going to fuck up my whole day. Gets mo? Or my life, or my work, or my job, or my own peace. Pag dinistorbo mo ang peace of mind ko, sige, pagbibigyan kita una, pangalawa, pero hindi ka na makakatatlo. Gets mo ko, Gemini, yun ang mentality mo. This is timeless, so I don't know if kailan mangyayari. But meron kang overall energy mo is the Star card and the Four of Wands, so very healing. Merong celebration na mangyayari in the future or maybe currently happening or mangyayari pa lang or kasalukuyang nangyayari. I don't know. But there is a star. Star is all about healing energy. It's all about sikat, ano ang tawag niyan, pinagchichismisan, gets mo, on the spotlight together with the Four of Wands. It's a celebration, it's a reconciliation, it's getting in together, moving in together, or maybe you're going to visit someone, or maybe someone is going to visit you with the Travel card here and the Communication card. Okay, so yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo, Gemini. But in the second row, pay attention kung sino man ang involved sa'yo. Be aware, don't trust anyone. Okay. Okay. Trust yourself only. Alam mo ng galawan dyan, you're the Empress. Alam mo kung anong intuition mo, kung ano man ang sinasabi ng intuition mo, yun ang sundin mo. Okay. Kung hang ka man ngayon sa two-person, you need to think about it. I think you can handle it because the energy of the Empress is not gonna take that long. Okay. Hindi ka tatagal sa sitwasyon na alam mong magpapatagal sa'yo. Okay. So, in the third row, you are independent. You can pay your own bills. You can do your own thing. You don't need anyone. I think, hindi ko naman sinabing hindi mo talaga kailangan. What I mean is, energetically, back in your mind, it's all about happiness. I'm gonna go after my happiness. Kung sino man ang babasag ng peace of mind ko, tumakbo-takbo ka na kasi pinagbigyan na kita ng una, pangalawa, wag ka nang magtatlo pa dahil talaga bagang ang Queen of Swords is very clean cut, very strategic at very smart mover. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, Gemini. Gemini, please, for my Gemini. Share your voice. Come out of the cave and persecution expression. Okay, you have to express yourself. Okay, maybe on something you need to come out on your labas ka sa hawla mo. Okay, may makaka-discover sa'yo dito. Persecution, kung merong mang nagbibintang sa'yo on something, or maybe you feel persecuted ng taong nakapalibot sa'yo or mga past person or kung sino man yan, you need to come out. Okay. Kasi, ano tawag dyan, ewan ko kung paano makaka-resonate yan sa'yo. Share your voice, which means kung ano yung intuition mo, kung ano yung sinasabi ng mind mo, you need to let it out. Okay. You need to express it. Okay. Kung dati medyo pigil ka sa isang individual na magsabi ng something, you need to let your voice be heard. Okay. So, what else? Tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. The initiation, rite of passage, and crossing the threshold. Okay. So, ang sa nakikita ko dito, same thing ng share your voice. The initiation, you have to initiate on something. You have to collaborate on something. Or, I think, your voice is needed. Yun ang nakikita ko. Merong nangangailangan ng boses mo. Okay. The initiation, you have to initiate something, you have to collaborate on something, play, okay, have fun, celebrate, and don't be serious. Yun na nga sinasabi ko dito sa third row. Kung sino man ang babasag ng peace of mind mo, talaga bagang kakatok mo siya because you're being playful. I don't know anong time yan kasi this is a timeless read. So Mintakan, longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. Maybe you are one of the light workers, so that's why you feel the urge of you need to speak up, or someone needs to hear your voice. Okay, so yeah, yun lang ang makikita ko dito. So be playful, be fun, more happiness. The more you are happy, the more peace of mind that you are going to possess. Okay, so kung sino man ang babasag ng trip mo, alam mo nang dapat gawin. Okay, kung ano man ang nasa isip mo, you have to speak your mind, share your voice. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano angel message number sa'yo. Yung mga chismis, may mga chismis dito with the star card and the four of wands. Parang feeling ko may chismis, usap-usapan yan sa loob ng bahay o kung ano man ang nagaganap. Okay, with the 3, 5, and 10. So search 3, 5, and 10, Gemini, and see what is the message for you. Angel message number 3, 5, 10. So baka makaresonate yan sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, so yan lang maihahain ko sa iyo. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, hit the thumbs up. Click the notification bell. Subscribe ka na rin po para stay connected tayo. Para po sa hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. So, yeah. Thank you, Gemini. This is what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.